How to make money using Perplexity.ea. Imagine having a tool that does all the heavy lifting for you, researching, content creation, and even automating tasks, so you can focus on what really matters, making money. With Perplexity.ea, this dream becomes a reality. Whether you are into affiliate marketing, blogging, or creating educational content, Perplexity.ea is your secret weapon. Learn how to turn EA into a passive income machine today. So hi guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you how you can earn money from Perplexity.ea. So first of all you have to do is open your web browser and dive into Perplexity.ea. So this is the homepage. As you can see, we have various information about it, but first of all you have to do right now is know what is Perplexity. Perplexity.ea is a tool designed to provide users with answers and information by leveraging EA and data from the web. It functions similarly to a search on-chain, but incorporates advanced EA capabilities to offer more refined and contextually relevant responses. So let's give it a try to know how it works with Perplexity. So for example, let's ask some questions here. How you can earn money on Perplexity. So let's dive in, and this is it. So we have the first thing here, we have services. We have the first one, how to make money with Perplexity A beginners. So you can just click over the one you want, and we have here other social media like AA businesses, plans, Reddit, YouTube responding about these questions. Then we have how does Perplexity A make money, and we have other options here. So it's better to know in different sources to more understand. And this website provides you these options. Also, we have your videos, images also, and other things. And here we have answer. We have here some ways to earn money using Perplexity. The first one, proofreading and editing services, content creation, virtual assistant services, chat bot development, consulting and training. And we have also here some questions that are related with the same one I already asked about it. Then we have also other options like you can ask follow-up and other things. So it's very helpful and useful to search about those things. So I will explain you how you can earn money on Perplexity, but before that let's scroll in to more understand about this website. Now we discover, and let's say some benefits of this website. The first one, we have speed and efficiency. Also we have accurate information retrieval and enhanced research, user-friendly, available for 7 hours per day, versatility and consistent quality, tool integration, learning capability, and other things. Then we have your library also, and the library here we have how we do it, and also we have here how it works. It's for free, absolutely. So we have standard here, start for free, no credit card needed, unlimited quick searches, 5 searches per day, standard Perplexity AI model optimized for speed and quality. You have also create a profile to personalize your answer, and that's it. How is it? Then we have here, if you want to sign up, all you have to do is dive into Perplexity.ea, and then you write your email address. You can also use Google or Facebook also, and then you find your account by linking with email address, and you write your password and code that already is sent in your email. And then you have your focus. You can also select niche you want, for example writing, academic, video, math, social, or other things. We have also here enterprise, playground, blog, encyclopedia, car, and you select the language you want. We have here reference languages like French, German, Japanese, Korean, Chinese, Spanish, Hindi also. Then we have other information here also here, and we have here download. Can also select. Here we have settings, profile, APA enterprise also. So you can just modify what you want, and this is the homepage how it looks. Right now I will give you some steps that you will have to follow, and then you will earn money with Perplexity. First one, we have content creation. So for example, you can start a YouTube channel where you demonstrate how to use Perplexity to quickly find and summarize research papers, monetize your ads and sponsored videos. You could also start a blog where you share EA tool tutorials and use affiliate links to EA tools or related products to generate income. The second one we have, it's freelance work. So for example, offer a service on platform like Upwork or Fiverr to write articles or conduct research using Perplexity. For instance, you could use Perplexity to quickly gather and synthesize information on a specific topic, providing high quality content faster than traditional methods. Then the third one, we have consulting. For example, as a consultant, you help small businesses integrate Perplexity into their workflow. For example, you could advise a marketing team on how to use Perplexity to research competitors, stay updated on industry trends, or generate content ideas efficiently. Then we have the fourth one is teaching. For example, you create an online course on Udemy titled Mastering EA Tools for Efficient Research and Writing. In this course, you teach students how to use Perplexity for tasks like academic research, content creation, or data analysis. Charge a fee for the course and earn revenue based on enrollment. And the fifth one, we have affiliate marketing. For example, write a detailed so then use affiliate links in the post so when readers purchase or sign up for the tools to your links, you earn a commission. Promote this blog post to social media and email newsletter to drive traffic. Then the last one is automation services. So you offer a service where you set up automated workflows using Perplexity for businesses. For example, create a system that automatically gathers and summarizes daily industry news for executives, charge a setup fee and a possibly a monthly maintenance fee for this service. So this is it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.